Hello friends. Life is not a struggle. It's a game of giving and receiving. I mean, just try to imagine. Have you ever shouted angrily on someone at a street and later on sometime somewhere someone shouted at you? Has it happened? As I said, life is a game of giving and receiving. You get what you put out in the universe, right? Because spiritually we are all one. So whatever you are giving out, you are giving to yourself, and you are going to get self back. For example, if you want to be loved, rather than seeking, finding love from people around you, just start giving love away. Start appreciating yourself, appreciating your surrounding, loving yourself, and things will start changing gradually for you. You will get more love in life. Be mindful of what you are giving out to the universe, what you are sending out to the universe, because that will return to you. So if you lie to someone, if you cheat someone, you will be lied to, you will be cheated to. If you love someone or everyone, basically it's good to love everyone, right? Everyone will love you. If you do good things to others, good things will happen to you. All you need to do is just take care of each moment, and you have taken care of the time. Think about it. So, do you want to be peaceful, conflict free? Do you want to be peaceful, conflict free? As I said, life is a game of giving and receiving, right? So you start helping others, helping in making them peaceful, helping in resolving your conflicts. But expect nothing in return. Keep your ego aside, okay? Don't expect anything in return. As you go, you will reap. Think about what pain or joy you are causing to others. The same will happen to you tenfold. Same. As I said, life is a game of giving and receiving. I am doing my bit. Are you? If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel. My aim is to change 100 lives this year. And if you can be part of that, I will be more than happy. All you need to do is share this video with someone who think you can benefit from it. Also, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you receive instant update of whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. I wish you all the peace, all the happiness, all the joy, and all the positive abundance in this world. Namaskar.